Hello guys, welcome to Destus games, and in today's video I'm actually going to make a Godot engine tutorial on how to make a shake effect on Godot. Now what we are actually going to be using is the animation player node, and we are going to get this when we are done. I'm actually going to be using my phone for debugging tests because my PC actually lags. Let's get on with the video. Now we are going to create a new scene and a 2D scene. This effect can also be used for 3D. So I'm going to just call this shake, and it's going to let me add the turn on grid. Let me add our Godot icon and let me add a child node, a camera 2D node, and I'm also going to add our animation player node. So I'm actually going to change the camera to this position. Let it split our viewport. Just adjust it a little bit. Okay, now we are going to animate the camera's position to be taken to the left, to the right, up, down, so we'll be animating this position. Therefore you will see the shake effect. Now there's one more thing we need to set in the camera 2D node. Okay, now we are going to click on current. That's just the thing we need for this. So click on current to activate this, and then let's get on with the animation player. Now the animation player, you can click on this to add it, and just scroll it up a bit. You can click here to add a new animation. Obviously some of you already know about that, and I'm going to call this shake, and I'm actually going to reduce the time lapse to 0.3 seconds. If it's kind of too long, it's going to be a little bit weird. So 0.3 seconds, that's the animation. Now I'm going to leave the snap like this. So in each 0.3 seconds we have a different shake. So now we are going to animating the camera's position. So get down there in the transform tab, we drop down, and then we have to create a new key, create it, and that's it. So that's the first. Though you can also, if you decide that you want it to be like this at the beginning, it's still okay. Actually prepare it like this. So I click on the key again to insert that animation into now. In 0.1 second, I would want it to move towards here, and then add the key also, and then in 0.2 seconds, let's say it goes down a bit. Let's say it goes down a bit. You can see our property tab, they're actually changing here. So you can click on that, and then in 0.3 seconds, you can say let it go down or go up. Maybe you can add more keyframes, but I'm just going to make this quick so we get our result as soon as possible. So now with this, if you click on play, you will see the camera is okay. Sorry. Also you have to create loop, so it keeps on playing it. I know you actually can see it where because it's lagging a lot, but we have our animation, and that's, you can actually see it is shaking a little bit. I know it's where you can see, sorry for that. So now we don't want this to start automatically. We want to activate it in with code. So we are going to activate it with code. Therefore we'll have to create a script I just want it to be empty, and then shake the GD, create. Alright, so now I'm just going to use the ready function, and I want to say on ready var anim is equal to get node animation player. So with that func ready we say anim dot play shake. That's all we need. You don't even need to point in the physical side because it will keep on looping itself. So with that, and if you press F6, okay, let me save this in, we'll have our nice looking shake effect. You can animate it anyhow you want to give you different varieties. I'm actually going to close the main Godot tab right here. So that's our shake effects, shaking left, right. By now you'll be seeing it with my phone. Okay, so that's how you make a shake effect in Godot. Like not how you make, but one of the ways you can make a shake effect. So that's it for today's tutorial. See you next time. Please, again, sorry for my screen lag. Thank you.